So this tutorial is going to be for Best Life Ever. It's a very simple song as far as the chords go to play. The chords that you're going to need are C, F, G, A minor, F minor, C major 7, Dsus, and D minor. So that's the only chords that you're going to need. The difficult thing about this song is the range, and it's out of my vocal range, so I don't really sing it that much. But the rhythm is a little bit tricky if you don't know how to mute your strings. So at the beginning of the song, it starts off with a type of a rhythm. And to do that, all you do is, so what I'm doing is I'm strumming down on the C string with my thumb and plucking up on the 1 and 2 strings with my pointer and middle finger. But instead of allowing it to continue to ring out, I'm just muting the strings with my pinky. And to do the mute, it takes a little bit of finesse and practice. You just lightly put your pinky there, not on top of the fret dividers there. Just lightly on top of the strings, and that mutes it. And so some of the chords are difficult to mute, and sometimes getting used to the changes along with the pinky mutes is tough, so it just takes a little bit of practice, that's all. The most difficult chord to mute in this one is your F minor chord, because you're using your pinky. And so the way that you can mute that is when you do that, the normal strum, you lift up slightly. So you take the pressure slightly off of the strings, and that mutes 4, actually 1, 2, and 4, but 3 is open, so you have to mute that with your thumb. Fortunately, you have your thumb open there, right there, so you can just lightly touch it and that mutes it. So a little bit of practice to do that. But that's basically the strumming pattern for verse 1, the pre-chorus, the chorus. When you get into verse 2, he changes the rhythm a little bit, and he's playing a fuller strum, like that type of thing. He's letting it ring out instead of muting it. So we'll go through a playthrough of the song and get a feeling for how that goes. And then there's the bridge, which has your D sus chord in it and your D minor chord, and he kind of fades out, and then he comes back. So we'll see that as well. So I think that about covers like the technique of the song. Let's do a little playthrough and see how it sounds. Try this. So there you go. If you have any questions, put them in your comments. But that's the way I would play it. Hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.